Do you need to protect your valuable assets? You've made a major investment in equipment that's often located on a job site or being moved from one location to another. Not knowing where your equipment is at all times could result in economic disaster. The unauthorized use, or worse yet, the loss of one bulldozer, excavator, or grader could have a major impact on your bottom line. JHI Technology offers several GPS-based monitoring solutions to meet your needs. Whether you need location monitoring or access to advanced metrics, we've got you covered. There are several benefits to GPS-based asset tracking. You can monitor the location of all your assets and know when they're being operated. Asset tracking will allow you to stop unauthorized use. It also allows for better asset allocation. Determine which piece of equipment can be reallocated most efficiently for the least amount of money. And GPS-based asset tracking can also help lower your insurance premiums. And monitoring has never been easier. You can track your assets in real time with any internet-connected computer or smartphone. And asset monitoring allows you to develop customized reports for better management. JHI Technology sells, installs, and services fleet management systems, including GPS-based asset tracking solutions. We believe that you should only pay for what you need. As your fleet management partner, your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. Click the link below this video or give us a call at 850-898-3744 to learn more about a customized solution that will meet your needs. Don't let your assets go unprotected. Click the link below this video or call 850-898-3744 to learn more.